Hello everyone, welcome to the Big Guy Garage. If you're new here, please hit that like, share, and subscribe button. If you're returning to watch videos, please hit that share button. We really need your support, but this is what we do here. Classics, rat rods, hot rods, resto mods. So, and also you can jump onto the shop and pick up the clothes, the shirts that help support the channel. But thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. And here's your video. Alright, so today we're going to be pulling something else. And you can see the blue truck's back there. It's pretty much done. We've got to put carpet and charge the AC. That's done. But today, while we're looking for some carpet, we're going to work on this. This is a 1975 AMC Matador wagon. Okay, it looks awesome that way until that. That is horrible. But it's a weird thing. We had just got this. Let me wipe this number and stuff off the window. Don't anybody see somebody else's number on there. Not a big fan of the saw blades, but they work on here. This car is basically mint. I mean, it's got the rumble seat like in the back. All mint. I mean, mint interior, and I love the door handles. Look at that. Look at that. It's mint. It's perfect. Even the radio still works on this thing. It's awesome. The one bad thing wrong with it is the rear end is going out, we think. That's why we got it at a good deal. But could just be the back brakes falling apart. It happens. I actually bought the Caprice for $800 because the guy thought the rear, or actually thought the transmission was going out, but it was only the brakes. Yeah. No rust on this car. Well, there's a little rust, but not a lot. I'm gonna turn you around here and let you see the whole thing. Look at this thing. It's mint. Right there, tiny little dot of rust. A little bit of cracker rust there. But look under there. The rockers are perfect. That just needs glued back on. It's golden. It runs. It does drive. It has a 304 V8 in it with power steering, and it also has air conditioning. We don't know if it works yet, but it has it. A little bit of bubble there. Other than that, I mean, this thing is mint. I mean, mint. Huh. Looks like something inside hit that. This is a electric roll down back window, and that's how you open the back. Look at this. Look how mint. Look, this is Richard Rollins all the way. Headliner's hanging down. We're gonna fix that. A little spray glue, no biggie. Everything else is just amazing. Look at that. Look where the lock is. That's crazy. That's a good idea. That's a good design. Let's open this back. Look at this. Look at that. So clean, so fresh, so new. Awesome. Pop the hood on this thing. Not quite sure where it's at. I don't know if it's up front or if it's inside. Again, look at that, mint green. It's awesome. Ah, that might be the hood latch. Yep, must have broke off. Still cool. Doors open and shut good. This hood is like a duck bill. Original 304 V8. 69,000 miles. I mean, it's mint. Power steering, power brakes, AC, giant Briggs & Stratton, huge motor. But new oil filter. That's a weird spot for an oil filter. It's got new plugs and wires on it. This is before we got it, so I mean, look at this. None of that stuff's rotted out. Inner fender wells aren't rotted out. Looks like it has like a Camaro 2 front setup on it. Where's the steering at on this thing? Yeah, you could put an LS in here pretty easy. Pretty easy. Get me started. But this thing is awesome. Clean. And we're going to work on this today. We're going to pull the back drums off and see if it's like flung apart. If it's not flung apart and are good, we're going to drop the diff cover and see what that's like. Look at this. So mint. So fresh, so clean. So nice. Yeah. This thing's cool. But let's we gotta get this trailer out we cleared. And then we're gonna start on this. This isn't a project, this is just a flip car. Because it's way too clean to mess with. It runs pretty good. It's raining right now. Looks pretty good too. Go. Give it some gas. No, that thing's got no balls. It's a big boat. She's a binking on the stinking. I think it's got an exhaust leak pretty bad, or a lifter tap. Not quite sure. The dead body in there. You know, we got some loose belts. $14s in the front, $15s in the rear. It's hilarious. It's got the rumble seat. Back seat flips forward. It's cute.